Cash drawn for personal use. Anything drawn for personal use is called drawing. On which date? 6/5. How much money? 3,000. Bank account data to cash account. We are doing the cash. Here is the bank debit side. Now it will come into credit side. When I say capital, cash account data to capital. Paid into bank, bank account data to cash account. Purchase goods for cash, purchase account data to cash account. Hello my dear students, I am Dr. B.S. Subramanya, called by name Dr. B.S.S., Professor in Commerce and Management, Vidhyaashram First Aid College, a Temple of Excellence, MYSURU. In this session, I am going to have Fundamentals of Business Accounting, First Semester, Unit 2, Session 4 of BBA in favor of journal entry. Splitting the transactions to two sides is called journal entry. We'll start now. Journalize the following transaction and prepare the ledger account of cash. Started business with rupees 90,000 paid into bank. Purchase goods for cash. Cash drawn for personal use. Purchase goods from creditor. Goods sold for cash. Cash drawn for personal use. Goods sold to Arun. Paid to creditor. Cash received from Arun. Further cash paid into business for capital. Furniture purchase for cash, rent paid by check. We'll start. Started business means what is coming in? Cash is coming in for sake of capital. The person who contribute person is a personal account. Debit the receiver, credit the giver. On which day? 1/5/2023. 1/5/2023. Cash account data 90,000 to capital account. $90,000 being business commenced. So debit what comes in, credit was cash is coming in for say capital is a personal account, debit the receiver, credit the giver. What's the entry? Cash account data to capital account. What's the next one? This one is over. Paid into bank. You are putting the money into the cash is going out. Who is the receiver? Banker. On which day? 2/5. How much money? 50,000. 2/5/23 paid into bank account data 50,000 to cash account 50,000 being cash paid into bank. So 2/5 over 5/5 purchase goods for cash. So goods is coming in, cash is going out. How much money? 40,000. On which date? 5/5. Purchases account data what's the value? 40,000 to cash account 40,000 being goods purchased for cash. So this over 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Then Cash drawn for personal use. Anything drawn for personal use is called drawing. On which date? 6/5. How much money? 3,000. Drawings account debtor. How much money? 3,000. To cash account. 3,000. Being cash drawn for personal use. Anything drawn for personal use is called drawing. Drawings account debtor to cash account. So this over. 10/5. Purchase goods from creditor. What is coming in? Goods. From whom? Creditor. Creditor is a personal account. Debit the receiver, credit the giver. On which day? 10/5. Purchases account debtor. How much money? 16,000. To creditors account. 16,000. Being goods purchased from creditors. 10th over. 10 is over. 12. Goods sold for cash. We are selling the goods. Goods is going out. Cash is coming in. How much money? 64,000. On which date? 12/5. Goods sold for cash. Cash account debtor. 64,000. To sales account. Goods sold. 64,000. Being goods sold. Being goods sold. This is on 12th. 12th over. Cash drawn for personal use. How much money? 3,000. Anything drawn for personal use is called drawing. That is on 15th. Drawings account debtor. $3,000 to cash account. 3,000. Being cash drawn for personal use. It is 15th over. Then 18, goods sold to Arun, 36,000. We are selling the goods to Arun, so Arun becomes the debit the receiver. Arun account debtor to sales account to the extent of 36,000. 18/5. Who is the receiver? Arun account debtor. 36,000. To sales account. 36,000. Being goods sold to Arun. This over. Paid to creditors. Credit that is on 20th. Creditor account data to cash account. That is on 20th. How much money paid? 12,000 on 20th. 2023. Creditors account data. How much money you have paid? This is your 12,000. 12,000 to cash account. 12,000 being cash paid to creditors. 20th. This over. 25th. Cash received from Arun. What is coming in? Cash is a real account. Debit what comes in from whom? Arun is a personal account. Debit the receiver, credit the giver. How much cash is coming in? 20,000 on 25th. On 25th, cash account data, cash received. How much cash received? 20,000 to Arun account. 20,000 being cash received. This is on 25th. Over. 29. Further cash put into business as capital 16,000. Further capital. How much money is coming in? 16,000. On which date? 29. 29th. Cash account data to capital account. This is further capital. How much money you received? 16,000. Being further capital. Received. Being further capital received. This over. Furniture purchase for cash. What is coming in? Furniture coming in. Cash is going out. On 31/5. This is 31/5. 31/5. What is that one? Furniture purchase for cash. How much money? 6,000. Furniture account data. 6,000 to cash account. 6,000 being furniture purchased. Last one, 31/5. Rent paid by check. We are rent is a nominal account. Debit what comes in, credit what goes. We are paying the rent. What is going out? Check is going out. Means you have to write. How much money? 2,000. 31/5. Rent account data. 2,000 to bank account. 2,000 being rent paid by check. So these are all the transactions. Now you have to go with the ledger accounts. Cash account you have to prepare. Date, particulars, ledger folio, amount. Date, particulars, LF, amount. Wherever the cash comes, you have to enter. Which account you are preparing? Cash account. It's followed by debit and credit and to and by. We'll start with first one. Wherever the cash is there, you have to cash account data to capital account. So you are doing the cash account. Where is capital credit side? Now it will come on debit side. 15 to capital account. 90,000. So 1 over. So this entry over. Then bank account data to cash account. We are doing the cash. Where is the bank? Debit side. Now it will come into credit side. 25 by bank account. You are putting the money into bank account. How much money is going out? 50,000. So we have got 90. Out of that, how much put into bank? 50,000. Next. So this over. 55. Purchase account data to cash is going out because of purchases. How much money? 40,000. And which date? 55. 55 by purchases. How much money is going out? 40,000. So this over. Then drawings account data to cash account. We draw the money, cash is going out. Drawing is debit side, now it will come on credit side. 3,000. 65 by drawings. How much money? By drawing? 3,000. So 60 is over. Then 7. Purchase account creditor, there is no cash. 12. Cash account data to sales account. By selling the goods, we are receiving the cash. We are doing the 2 sales. How much money? 64,000. 12. On 12th, to sales account. By selling the goods, how much money you are receiving? 64,000. So that over, 12th over. Then drawings account data to cash account. So cash is going out on 15th. By drawings, another 3,000 drawn. It is on 15th. Arun account data to sales won't come. Creditor account data to cash. Creditor account being cash paid to creditor. We are paying the creditor. Cash debit side will come on credit side. 20th, we pay to creditors. By creditors, we have paid. How much money paid? 12,000. Paid to creditor. 20th over. Cash account data to Arun account. We received how much money? Cash receipt. 20,000 on which date? 25. To Arun account. How much you received from Arun? 20,000. over. Then cash account further capital received. How much money is 16,000? 29th to capital 16,000. Then 29th over 31st. Furniture account data to cash account. Cash is going out 6,000. By furniture, we purchase the furniture account to the extent of 6,000. Add the figure 0, 0, 0, 1,90,000, 1,90,000, 190 minus 90,000 minus 3,000 minus 3,000 minus 12,000 minus 6,000, 76,000, 0, 76,000, 31,500 by balance carried down. End of the year by balance 76,000. Next month 1/6/2023 to balance brought down. Next month to balance brought down how much? 76,000. So it's a cash account. Debit, credit. Debit what comes in, credit what goes out. We have passed the journal entry and prepared the ledger accounts of cash. So debit what comes in, cash. So what we are receiving the cash so much. Oh, we have passed the entry. First one, when you receive capital, cash account data to capital. Paid into bank, bank account data to cash account. Purchase goods for cash, purchase account data to cash account. Anything drawn for person use, drawings account data to cash account. 10th, purchase from creditor, purchase goods from creditor, purchase account data to creditor account. Goods sold for cash, cash account data to sales account. Drawn for person use, drawing account data to cash account. Goods sold to Arun, Arun account data to sales account. Paid to creditor, creditor account data to cash account. Amount received from Arun, cash account data to Arun account. Further capital introduced, cash account data to capital account. Furniture purchase for cash, furniture account data to cash account. Rent paid by check, rent account data to cash account. Then we prepare the ledger. Debit what comes in, credit what. The total amount received is 1,90,000. How much balance you receive? 76. Other things have been spent. Sake of paid into bank purchase, drawing, paid to creditor, furniture purchase. How much balance is the end of the month? 31,500, 76. Right? Opening balance for the next month is 76,000. Okay, you understand? Hope we have prepared the journal entry and the ledger account. We'll meet in the next class with another journal entry. Till then, goodbye. Meet in the next class.